This might be the easiest, juiciest and tastiest way to cook a chicken breast. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now we've got juicy, flavourful chicken breasts coated in a simple seasoning mix, and they're cooked really nicely and easily. I'll show you a little tip on how to do that so they're lovely and tender and juicy. So let's get cooking. So I've got 2 chicken breasts here, and I'm going to take one of the chicken breasts and place it on a large piece of baking parchment, and then we'll fold that over to completely cover the chicken. And we want to give it a bit of a bash with a rolling pin, not to flatten out the chicken breast, but just to even out the thickness all the way along. And then repeat with the second chicken breast. Now the next tip is to make sure that the chicken breasts aren't too big. If they're really big, then you'll find that they take a lot longer to cook right through to the middle, and they'll be dry on the outside. So I tend to use chicken breasts that are about 175 grams to 200 grams or 7 ounces each. Okay, now we're going to get on with the spice mix. To a small dish, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a teaspoon of light brown sugar. And then mix it all together until it's combined. And now we're going to sprinkle that mixture all over the chicken breasts on both sides, giving it a good press in to make sure it's thoroughly coated. And then finally we want to drizzle on a tablespoon of oil. So we're going to drizzle that onto the chicken breast, and again making sure that we're coating both sides so it's fully covered. Place the chicken breasts in the air fryer basket, trying to give them a little bit of space around the chicken so the air can circulate. So we want to cook that in the air fryer at 200C or 400F for about 11 to 12 minutes, and we're going to turn it once halfway through cooking. We want to ensure that that chicken is nice and hot throughout and no longer pink in the middle. And if you've got a temperature probe, then we want the internal temperature to be 75C or 167F. Once that's cooked, we're going to remove the chicken from the air fryer basket and place on a board, and then leave it to rest for 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're ready to serve however you like it. Just look at how lovely and juicy that chicken is. Cooked chicken breast is a really versatile protein that can be used in lots of things. We're talking salads, sandwiches, soups, on pizzas, in fried rice, in curries, and the list just goes on and on. I'll see you next time for more delicious tips and ideas.